Your question is find a, b and n in the expansion of a plus b to the power of n if the first three terms of expansions are 729, 7290, 30375 respectively. Now, here what they have told. They have told first three terms. The first three terms, the first term of this is what? The coefficient is what? So we can say the first coefficient is NC0 is your first coefficient. Next comes your A, first term A to the power of n and B to the power of 0. This will be the same. This is your first coefficient. Second coefficient is your NC1. A to the power of n minus 1 and B to the power of 1 is your second coefficient. Now comes to your third coefficient. That is your NC2, A to the power of n minus 2 and B square. If you solve this, what you will get? NC0, that means n factorial by n minus 0 factorial and 0 factorial. And this will be A to the power of n and B to the power of 0 is 1 only. So into 1. Comes here. NC1 is what? N factorial by n minus 1 factorial and 1 factorial, and this will be the same. A to the power of n minus 1, B 1. B1 is B only. So just we will write B. Next, NC2 is your n factorial by n minus 2 factorial and 2 factorial. And here comes A to the power of n minus 2 and B square. If you solve this one by one, what you will get? Here n factorial and n factorial will go out. And 0 factorial is nothing but 1. So now we will get here A to the power of n. This is your first term, T1. Next, for the term 2, what it will be? See this. This is n factorial. This is n minus 1. Just we will expand this. So here it will come as n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial into A to the power of n minus 1 and B. So this and this will go. You will get n. So therefore you will get n A to the power of n minus 1 into B. This is your second term. Comes to your third one. And we have to expand up to n minus 2 factorial. So here it will come as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial by n minus 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is 2 into 1 is 2 only. And here comes your A to the power of n minus 2 and B square. Now reduce this and this. So just we will write what are the terms. So first comes your T1, term 1. Term 1 is A to the power of n. Term 2. Term 2 is n A to the power of n minus 1 into B. And term 3 is equal to n into n minus 1 and A to the power of n minus 2 and B square. B square by 2. Now we will take the ratios. We know that we can take the ratios. So here we will take T2 by T1. That is equal to n a and minus 1 into b by t1 is a to the power of n. That is equal to, now here you can see the power is minus 1. That means a will come down. A to the power of n by a. So here this and this will go out. You will get n b by a. This is your t2 by t1. Next we will go for t3 by t2. T3 by T2, that is equal to T3. So T3 is this value, n into n minus 1 a to the power of n minus 2 b square by 2, this 2, and T2 is this n a to the power of n minus 1 and b. Now, we have to simplify this. This minus 1 is there in denominator, that means a will come out. So, we will reduce this and we will put a here. Here minus 2 is there, that means a square will come down. So, this will go out. Now, reduce them. If we reduce this and this will go out, b and the square will go out, a and this will go out. And will go out. Therefore, we will get n minus 1 into b by 2a. This we will get it. Now, here they have given you what? These are the terms. These are the terms. So here we can write it as, this is term 2. That means it will be 7290 by 729. That is equal to 10. So now we can say nb by a is 10. Where we will get it? Here, multiply this. If you multiply this, you will get nb by 2a minus b by 2a. This you will get it. So this will be your 10. So 10 by 2 is 5. And this will be b by 2a. That is equal to, now we have to reduce it. Again we have to do the same thing. 30375 divided by 7290. So we can reduce it by 5. So this will be 1, 4, 5, 8. Here it will be 6, 0, 7, 5. Now, so this will go in 9. Directly you can go for 9. So 9, that means it will be 1 times. You will get 55. So that means 6 times and 2 times. Again it will be in 9. Use this. This is 60. 60, that means 6 times is 54. We will get 67. 67. That means 7 times 63. And 4, 5 is 5. Again it will go in 9. So now it will be 1 times 72, that means 18. It will be 725. This will be 7 times is 63, 45, that means 5 times. Now reduce it by 9 also. So this will be your 2 and this will be your 1, 17. Okay, 75 by 18. It will go in 3 only. So this will be your 6. Now, so this will be 2 and 5, 25. Now we got 25 by 6. So here, if you substitute this value, what is your b by 2a? That is equal to, we can say 25 minus 25 by 6. If you take the LCM, what you will get? You will get 6. So here it will be 30 minus 25. So this will be your 5 by 6. So here 2 is there, here 6 is there, just reduce there. So this will be 3. So now we can say b by a is equal to 5 by 3. Now substitute this value here. Or you can say, where we have written 10. This is 10. Here. That means n into 5 by 3 is equal to 10. So this will be n is equal to 30 by 5 is 6. So we got 6. Next we have to find it out a and the values. So now the first term is 729, this one. So now a to the power of n is equal to 729. We know that n is 6, so we get a to the power of 6 is equal to 729. Just factorize it, 729. So here it will be 3, or directly you can go for 9. 81. So this is 3 times of 9. That means 6 times of 3. So here we will get 3 to the power of 6 is equal to 729. So now we can say a is equal to 3. Now we have to find it out b. Same formula. What we have written here. And b by a. N is 6, b by a is 3 into is equal to 10. This will go for 2. So we can say b is equal to 10 by 2, that is equal to 5. So like this we have to find it out by taking the ratio.